Hey guys, this is JR with the AGS Company. Check out our new professional tubing straightener. This thing is awesome. It does 3/16 all the way up to 3/8 in all materials. And because it has a side entry, you can do flared and unflared tubing. Try that with the other straighteners. It works great on coils and sticks. Let's take a look at the construction of this thing. Got a fully chrome-plated body, resist corrosion, nice comfortable handle, spring-loaded jaws that lock. The bearings are stainless steel and the bushings are nylon for a nice smooth bending transition. This spring-loaded part here, so you can adjust the tube as it comes out to tilt it up or tilt it down. Got a urethane wheel so you can run it across a floor or workbench. And one of my favorite parts is you flip it over, lock this down, and now it's a vise mounted tool. To learn more about this tool and other solution-based products, check out agscompany.com for all your brake and hardware needs.